Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you wanted to learn on how to clear cache and data in Microsoft Edge. So stay tuned in this video because this video tutorial is for you. So you might have experienced some slow browsing. So let me teach you on how to clear cache and data in Microsoft Edge. So the very first thing that we have to do is to open your Microsoft Edge. And then in here in the right corner, you will be able to see this three dots. So just click that one and look for settings. So after that, you will be directed into here. There are lots of tabs and there's a lot of options in here, but you just have to click privacy, search, and services. So scroll down and look for delete browsing data. So we have here clear browsing data now. So just click choose what to clear. So in here, this one will pops up as you click choose what to clear. So you can choose in these options whether you wanted to clear the data during the last hour, from the last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks. But then I suggest that you put or you click all time, as it will delete the browsing data from all of your history. So now we have here these options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and so on. So it's up to you as to what you wanted to delete. So as for mine, I'm going to tick this check. I'm going to tick this box check. So it will actually depend as to what you wanted to delete, but as for mine, I'm not going to delete this part, this passwords, though I haven't saved anything yet. So let me just check them all. So it will actually depend on you on what you want to delete. So let's just tick that clear now. And it will take time depending on the data that you have. So that's it. If you have some problem about slow browsing, you can actually just do those steps that I taught you. So I hope this video helped, and if you like this video, please give us your thumbs up, and if you find this video helpful for you, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our new upcoming videos. See you on our next video.